If you have federal student loans, your monthly payment is about to change based on a law you have probably never read, and servicers are contacting borrowers in waves every 2 weeks. Those enrolled longest hear first. The earliest deadlines land around September 30th. On July 1st, every federal loan payment in America changes, and almost nobody knows the new math. Did you know? Save, Pay, and ICR are being replaced by one new plan? Did you know that plan stretches your loan to 30 years before forgiveness? 3 plans gone, 1 plan left. 30 years to forgiveness. It is called the Repayment Assistance Plan, RAP for short. It is the only income-driven option for new borrowers starting July 1st of 2026. And the way it calculates your payment is nothing like what came before. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how RAP works, what your monthly payment becomes, and the one decision you need to make before July 1st that locks you into the better deal. 1%, 10%, 30 years. Those are the 3 numbers that decide your new payment. By minute 4, you will know exactly which one applies to you. First, who actually gets put on RAP? 3 groups. New federal borrowers after July 1st of 2026. Existing borrowers who consolidate after that date. And eventually every Pay and ICR borrower. When those plans sunset on July 1st of 2028, if you have older loans and stay put, you can still use old IBR. 25 years to forgiveness. Familiar formula. That option is not going away. But if you touch a consolidation form after July 1st, you get pulled into RAP. 1 click, new plan, 5 extra years of payments. Quick reset. Quick reset for anyone just jumping in. Starting July 1st of 2026, every new federal student loan borrower in America gets 2 choices only: a new tiered standard plan or the new repayment assistance plan. The old menu of 4 or 5 income-driven plans is gone. Now here is the math that decides your payment. Here is how the RAP payment actually works. RAP pays 1 to 10% of your discretionary income every month. That sounds similar to Save. It is not. 2 things make it different. 1. The income brackets are tighter. Lower earners pay close to 1%. Higher earners pay closer to 10%. The middle of the curve hits faster than under Save. 2. The forgiveness timeline is 30 years. Not 20 under Save. Not 25 under old IBR 30. 30 years means 10 extra years of interest compared to Save. And here is the trap. Nobody is putting in plain English. Under Save, unpaid interest did not capitalize. Under RAP, the rules are different. There is a small monthly subsidy if your payment does not cover the interest, but it is capped. And beyond the cap, the unpaid balance can grow. For some borrowers, RAP payments will be lower than what they were paying. For others, especially middle-income earners, RAP payments will be higher than IBR, the simulator will tell you. Your monthly bill might not. That is by design. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Take a nurse making $60,000 with $40,000 in federal loans. Under old Save rules, her payment would have been roughly $200 a month with forgiveness in 20 years. Under RAP, her starting payment is roughly $240, $40 more a month. Forgiveness in 30 years. Total paid over the life of the loan. Tens of thousands more in interest. Same income, same loan, different plan, different ending. That is what a policy change costs in real dollars. And there is one more group that gets hit harder than anyone. Parent plus borrowers. If you took out a parent plus loan, and you consolidate or take out a new loan after July 1st, you are restricted to the new tiered standard plan. Not RAP, not IBR tiered standard, and it is not eligible for public service loan forgiveness. A teacher's parent loses PSLF, eligibility with 1 consolidation in July. Read that again. PSLF, eligibility gone. From a single consolidation done at the wrong time. The Department of Education recommends parent plus borrowers chasing PSLF consolidate before July 1st, 2026, not after. Before I show you the 4 moves to position yourself under the new system, you need to hear the consolidation trap that resets your forgiveness clock to 0. Quick favor, if RAP is the first time anyone has actually broken this down for you, hit that like button and drop a comment below. I read every single comment and reply personally. Share this with anyone you know who has student loans, and don't forget to subscribe. We put out several new videos every week. Drop a comment. Tell me your loan balance and your income. I will tell you which plan to look at first. Okay, here's how you protect yourself before July 1st. Step 1. Know your loan dates. Log into studentaid.gov and review every federal loan. Pay close attention to the original disbursement dates. Those dates can determine which version of IBR you qualify for and whether your forgiveness timeline is 20 or 25 years. Before you estimate forgiveness, make sure you know which rules apply to your loans. Watch this part carefully. Step 2. Run the simulator 3 ways. Studentaid.gov has a free loan simulator. Run it under 3 scenarios. 1. What you pay under IBR with your current loans. 2. What you pay under RAP if you do nothing. 3. What you pay if you consolidate before July 1st. Some borrowers will save thousands by switching to IBR now and locking it in. Others will save by waiting. The simulator gives you the math. The math gives you the move. 2 hours with the simulator could save you 10 years of payments. Pay attention to this. Step 3. If you are chasing PSLF, certify employment now. PSLF requires 120 qualifying payments. Every certified employment month counts. If your employment is not currently certified, file the form on studentaid.gov this week. Backdating is allowed for past qualifying months. Get the count right before any plan change. If you are a parent, plus borrower chasing PSLF, get advice before July 1st, the window to consolidate and stay PSLF. Eligible closes that day. Most channels miss this. Step 4. Do not consolidate impulsively. Consolidation feels like cleanup. It is not. Consolidating after July 1st restarts your income-driven forgiveness clock and locks you into RAP. Even if RAP gives you a slightly lower monthly payment, the reset on your forgiveness timeline costs you years of credit. The Institute of Student Loan Advisors offers free one-on-one counseling. Use them before you click consolidate, not after. And here is the credit piece nobody talks about. If you miss the July 1st window and fall into delinquency under RAP, the damage hits your credit report fast. Spring 2026 FICO data shows new student loan delinquencies are dropping credit scores by an average of 62 points. A default can take a 714 FICO score down to 652 in a single reporting cycle. That moves you from good credit to fair credit. And that costs you on every mortgage rate, auto loan, and credit card application for the next 7 years. Let me bring it all together. The Repayment Assistance Plan launches July 1st of 2026. 1 to 10% of discretionary income. 30 years to forgiveness. Replaces Save Pay and ICR over time. Triggered by being a new borrower, consolidating after that date, or eventually by Pay and ICR. Sunsetting in 2028. 30 years of payments is the new normal for new federal borrowers. Old IBR is still available if your loans qualify. Parent plus borrowers chasing PSLF must consolidate before July 1st. The simulator is free. The counseling is free. The decision is yours. Here is what to do this week. Log into studentaid.gov. Look at your loan dates. Run the simulator 3 ways. Certify your employment if you are chasing PSLF. 2 hours this week. Decades of payments avoided. One last thing before you click off. The consolidation trap I just mentioned has one workaround that protects your existing forgiveness credit. I cover that in detail in the next video. But the calculator step I want you to do today is the fastest read on whether RAP helps you or hurts you. If this video helped you, please give it a like and leave me a comment with your thoughts or questions. I read every comment and reply personally. Send this to family or friends who have student loans. And make sure you subscribe, because we put out several new videos a week, all free. And the next video you should watch is the consolidation trap that quietly resets your forgiveness clock in 2026. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. It will be uploaded within the next 2 days. See you there.